Hi, in this video I will explain you how works binary search algorithm and show how it can be used in a couple of problems. Binary search is mostly used for finding certain values of monotonic functions. It is easiest to explain on this problem. Imagine that you have sorted array and a variable x, and you want to find first number in array which is not less than x. Obvious solution would be just to loop through the entire array, but it would take lots of iterations, precisely order of n, where n is array length. With binary search it would take only order of log n. For binary search we will need a semi-interval with end included, which contains the answer. Here its start will be before first element in array and n just after the last one. Now we need to look at the middle of this semi-interval. And if middle is not less than x, we move end of semi-interval to the middle, otherwise it start to the middle. You can notice that new semi-interval will also contain the answer. Now we can repeat modifying our semi-interval until its start and end are adjacent in array, but then we know that its end is the answer. You also might be wondering why semi-intervals start and n initially are outside of array. Well, element before first is a start of semi-interval, since otherwise semi-interval will not contain the first element in array. And element after the end basically is indicator that all elements in array are less than x. There are other ways to use binary search, like finding specific values of continuous functions. For example, you can find polynomial root with given precision using binary search. Generally, it is used in programming very often, so you better get comfortable with it. Jokes aside, that is going to be it for today, and I'm going to see you in the next video.